Hello, wonderful people. United States of America, USA, have opened pathway for foreign workers to come and work in their country. This is opportunity for you to move into America with your children. They are lacking workers in agricultural sector. So if you can work in agriculture, in the plant or animal, or you can drive tractor or operate any machine, this work is for you. And this will cover your transportation, accommodation, and they will help you process your visa. Your employer will help you process your visa if you scale through. And this visa is simple and fast. It will come out within 60 days. And this visa will last for 3 years, and you can renew it every whenever it expired. Immediately you are entered, you have entered. So dear people, if you are interested, say you are interested. If it interest you, say interesting, say good, fine, beautiful. So before I go further, nobody will take any money from you. It's totally free. We don't collect consultation money or registration money. I will show you the organization that will help you. So stay tuned as we move together. And the name of the organization that will help you in processing your visa is called USA Farm Labor. USA Farm Labor. Simple, go to Google and type in usafarmlabor.com and browse everything. Click any drop button. You will see you will see the form. Fill in the form and click submit. If you require you to create account and follow them bomber to bomber. If you are eligible, they will invite you. And the second organization that will help you is called Farm for USA. Farm for USA. This provider, they are inviting seasonal workers. They are seasonal worker providers. So this is called seasonal worker providers because it's temporary, but you have to you have to renew it whenever it expired. They call it seasonal, but you can renew it whenever it expires. This organization, they into recruiting foreign workers for agriculture because they are lacking people in agriculture. So dear people, call your loved ones, call your friends, tell them that something good is happening here so that they will benefit what you are benefiting. Please never lose hope. Continue pushing until you got what you are looking for. I wish you luck in your search. Bye for now. Give us thumb up, comment, share. Thank you. Bye for now.